to add friends on WeChat. How to add your friend on WeChat. Let's go in right on the point. Before going forward this video, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Let's go in forward the video. Get in the app WeChat first. On switching in on the app WeChat, click on this plus button on the right side of the screen, and this menu will appear. Once you see this menu, click on the second line, add the contact. Once clicking on add the contact, you will reach on this new menu. So select invite friends, the line invite friends. Once selecting the line, you will reach on this next page. Click on the way you would like to invite or to add your friend. If you want to add your friend by message him or by email or with WhatsApp or Twitter, depend on you. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and share the video so that it could help other people, and don't forget also to subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Thanks for watching.